Hi, the doctor's in. I'm Dr. LB, and I am here to help you through your math difficulties. Today, we look at distance and midpoint formulas. The distance between 2 points, x1, y1, and x2, y2, is given by the equation, the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. The midpoint between 2 points, x1, y1 and x2, y2, is given by x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Let's look at a couple of examples where we find distance and midpoint. So we have a point 4, comma 2. Let's call this x1, y1. 6, comma 7. Let's call this x2, y2. So the distance between these 2 points would be x2, which is 6, minus x1, which is 4, squared, plus y2, which is 7, minus y1, which is 2, squared. So this becomes 6 minus 4 is 2, 2 squared is 4, 7 minus 2 is 5, 5 squared is 25, and 25 plus 4 is 29. So the square root of 29 is the distance between those 2 points. The midpoint, we have x1, which is 4, plus x2, which is 6, divided by 2. We have y1, which is 2, plus y2, which is 7, divided by 2. So when we simplify this, 4 plus 6 is 10, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. 2 plus 7 is 9, so you have 9 halves. The point 5, comma 9 halves is your midpoint. Let's look at another one. We have negative 1/4, negative 1/7. Let's call that x1, y1. And we have 3/4, 6/7. Let's call this x2, y2. So the distance would be the square root of x2 minus our x1 plus y2 minus our y1. So we have 3/4 minus a negative 1/4, which is the same as 3/4 plus 1/4, which is 4/4 or 1. Then we have 6/7 minus a negative 1/7, which is 6/7 plus 1/7, which is 7/7, which is 1. So we have 1 squared plus 1 squared is 2. So our distance is the square root of 2. The midpoint, we have x1 plus x1 plus x2. So we have negative 1/4 plus 3/4 divided by 2. Then we have our y1, negative 1/7, plus our y2 is 6/7 divided by 2. So negative 1 plus 3 is 2. So we have 2/4, which is 1/2 divided by 2. Negative 1 plus 6 is 5. So we have 5/7 divided by 2. And this reduces to 1/4, comma 5/14. This is our midpoint. So remember that Dr. LB is always in. Please come back for more math help.